Welcome to telehosting. When you make changes to your domain's DNS, such as updating name servers, A records, or MS records, DNS changes don't happen instantly. They take time to spread across the internet and to reflect worldwide. This process is called DNS propagation. In this video, I'll show you how to check DNS propagation and status online, step by step, using a simple free tool. To check DNS propagations, you need to know your domain name, the type of DNS records you changed, and the expected value. For instance, the new IP address or record value you added. There are several free online tools that can check DNS status for you. Some of the most reliable ones include dnschecker.org, whatsmydns.net, mx2box.com, intodns.com, but I'll be using the dnschecker.org in this video. The first thing you're going to do is to open your web browser, and in the address bar, type dnschecker.org and press enter. Once the website loads, you'll see a search box. Type your full domain name like yourdomain.com into the field. Next, you need to choose the type of DNS records you want to check from the drop-down menu. This could be A, MX, CNAME, or any other record you recently updated. After selecting the record type, click Search. The tool will now check DNS servers around the world and display the current status of your DNS record. Each location represents a different server worldwide. If the same new IP or record value appears everywhere, congratulations, your DNS has fully propagated. If some locations still show the old records, it means propagation is still in process. You can check again in a few hours until the updates appear worldwide. And that's how you check DNS propagation and DNS status online quickly and easily. While you can't completely control DNS propagation time, here are a few things you can do to make it faster. Lower your TTL before making the changes. This tells the DNS servers to refresh records more frequently. You can clear your local DNS cache on your computer or browser. Flush your ISP cache by restarting your modem or router. You can use telehosting's fast DNS servers. We've optimized them for quicker global updates. If your new DNS changes don't seem to appear even after propagation, your local device may still be storing old DNS data, and here's how to clear it. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator, type in ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. For Mac, open Terminal and type in this. Enter a password when prompted. This forces your computer to fetch the latest DNS records immediately. If you have any questions or confusions, drop them in the comments below or reach out to our support for assistance. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe for more hosting tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.